G'day guys, this is Matt here, and with today's video I'm going to show you how to copy and paste boss level style with the new Windows clipboard settings. So to do this we have to enable it in the settings area. So click on the Windows key, type in the word clip, and it says clipboard settings is your first one. So I've clicked on that. Awesome. The next part is the clipboard history. Turn this on. And what it's telling me, we can save multiple items to the clipboard to use later, then press Windows, logo and V key. Now let's check this out. What I have done now is I've prepared a few Word documents here with some information. So what I'm going to do now is highlight this. You can go Control A to highlight everything. Control C, that's the first copy. Now I'm going to jump to Excel. Highlight what I want. Control C. Now I'm going to jump to Notepad. Highlight what I want. Control C. So now I've got three versions of copying and Control C in my Word. So now we want to paste this into Word now. So we go from here. And what I want to do now is go Windows V, and as you can see, I have the clipboard settings in here. So I want that one, and Windows V, and go to the next one. Boom. As you can see, I've got multiples there. So I want to keep going. Control A, Control C. Go back to this one here. Windows V. Boom, there it is. Boom. Done. Super simple, boss level style. I can really see the benefits here in Excel when you're doing multiple copies of formulas and whatnot. Please, if you love this video, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I've got some amazing videos coming up. Thanks for your help, guys.